Welcome to Brainstorming Quotes. Let's read and listen to the recitation of famous brainstorming quotes from Alexander Graham Bell, the father of telephone. For detailed information, please click on More below. The only difference between success and failure is the ability to take action. Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. When one door closes, another door opens. But we so often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door, that we do not see the ones which open for us. In this experiment, made on the 9th of October, 1876, actual conversation, backwards and forwards, upon the same line, and by the same instruments reciprocally used, was successfully carried on for the first time upon a real line of miles in length. The most successful men in the end are those whose success is the result of steady accretion. Don't keep forever on the public road, going only where others have gone and following one after the other like a flock of sheep. Leave the beaten track occasionally and dive into the woods. The achievement of one goal should be the starting point of another. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work in hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. You cannot force ideas. Successful ideas are the result of slow growth. Ideas do not reach perfection in a day, no matter how much study is put upon them. The inventor is a man who looks around upon the world and is not contented with things as they are. He wants to improve whatever he sees. He wants to benefit the world. He is haunted by an idea. The spirit of invention possesses him, seeking materialization. It is the man who carefully advances step by step who is bound to succeed in the greatest degree. What this power is I cannot say. All I know is that it exists, and it becomes available only when a man is in that state of mind in which he knows exactly what he wants and is fully determined not to quit until he finds it. Night is a more quiet time to work. It aids thought. Be not the first by whom the new are tried, nor yet the last to lay the old aside. The inventor looks upon the world and is not contented with things as they are. He wants to improve whatever he sees. He wants to benefit the world. He is haunted by an idea. A man, as a general rule, owes very little to what he is born with. A man is what he makes of himself. The great advantage the telephone possesses over every other form of electrical apparatus consists in the fact that it requires no skill to operate the instrument. It is not, of course, complete yet, but some sentences were understood this afternoon. I feel that I have at last struck the solution of a great problem, and the day is coming when telegraph wires will be laid onto houses just like water or gas, and friends converse with each other without leaving home. Great discoveries and improvements invariably involve the cooperation of many minds. America is a country of inventors, and the greatest of inventors are the newspaper men. The day will come when the man at the telephone will be able to see the distant person to whom he is speaking. Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you. First intelligible words spoken over the telephone. After innumerable failures, I finally uncovered the principle for which I was searching, and I was astounded at its simplicity. One discovery will lead to another, and before you know it, you will have something worth thinking about to occupy your mind. And really big discoveries are the result of thought. A man's own judgment should be the final appeal in all that relates to himself. Educate the masses, elevate their standard of intelligence, and you will certainly have a successful nation. The nation that secures control of the air will ultimately control the world. Perseverance must have some practical end, or it does not avail the man possessing it. We so often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door, that we do not see the ones which open for us. I had made up my mind to find that for which I was searching, even if it required the remainder of my life. Neither the Army nor the Navy is of any protection, or very little protection, against aerial raids. If a man is not bound down, he is sure to succeed. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel Brainstorming Quotes and get the latest updates at the earliest possible. Please watch our other videos also. Brainstorming quotes read daily achieve success surely. Thank you, have a great day.